Hello friends, now let us first draw this alphabet or the digit 2. After drawing the digit 2, you can convert it into the bunny as being shown in this video. Draw the ears and his face like this. Draw a circle, and after drawing the circle, you can simply make these windows of this helicopter and provide him with the wings too. This helicopter is ready. Now let us start with our next art, which is to be followed like this. You have to first make the upper part of this hen and then you can draw the lower part too. See how perfectly this hen looking or the bird of this shape has to be made, and yes, the legs are to be made like this too. Now you have to draw this pattern on your white sheet. After that, you can simply draw this fish and her eye is to be made in the front like this. Now give her a complete look by providing her with her wings. Now start making this art by following these very few easy steps. Well, yes, an ice cream is being made. Now let's proceed to our next art. So for this, first you have to make this on your white sheet. After making the face of this creature, you have to provide him with a nostril too, and then the body is to be made like this along with the legs and a tail too. Now let's get started with our next art, which is of a triangular shape like this. First, after making this triangular shape, you have to provide them with a circle, and yes, we are going to make a bicycle like this. After making this pattern on the sheet, you have to make circles on the top of these alternate lines. After making the circles, you can simply make the beak and you can give them a complete look by letting them sit on a branch like this. Well, how cutely they both are looking at each other. Complete their look by giving them a perfect feathery touch. Draw a heart or an open heart like this. After that, you have to make a bird with a beak and then let her sit on a branch along with her foot. After following this pattern, you have to simply make this banana like this. You can see this ripe banana looks very elegant and you are done with this. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.